Hello and welcome to Abhit Shiksha. In today's video, let us learn how to make a lava lamp and the science behind it. For that, we will need vinegar, food color, vegetable oil, a transparent vessel, baking soda, and a light source. To begin, let us take an empty transparent vessel and add few spoons of baking soda. Make sure that the baking soda is evenly spread at the base of the vessel. Then, we add a sufficient amount of vegetable oil on the same vessel containing the soda. You might see some bubbles already forming, but this is not the end of the process. For the next step, we take a clean and dry beaker and carefully pour vinegar into it. We have roughly taken 15 milliliters of vinegar. Then in the same beaker, we add few drops of food color. You can choose any color you want. We have taken the color pink. Now mix thoroughly. For the final step, we place a light source and place the oil vessel on top. Gently pour the colored vinegar, which was already prepared, in a swirling motion, on top of the vessel containing the oil. Now your lava lamp is ready. But do you know the science behind this? Let me help you. What actually is happening is a reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. We know that baking soda is a base and vinegar is acidic in nature. And we also know that when an acid and a base is mixed together, they react to form a gas which is carbon dioxide. The bubbles that we see in the lamp is nothing but the carbon dioxide gas which is being formed. This is how you can make a lava lamp at home. For more such fun videos, press the like button, comment your views, share with your friends, and subscribe to Abhit Shiksha.